What's up guys, Justin, also known as Volcanic Rush 18 here, and today I am going to be making a video. So my Geometry Dash World video is still uploading, but in this video right here, in the video, Geometry Dash Random Demon Progress, I said that I was going to stay up all night and record videos for you guys. That's how much I love my subscribers. So that's what I'm gonna do. No naps, no sleeping, no nothing. So, yeah. I've been doing the videos from Random Demon Progress all the way to this video and a couple more. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, including this one. So I'm basically making a lot of videos for you guys. Staying up all night. I didn't even sleep or took naps or anything. I'm just gonna stay up all night just making videos for my subscribers. Okay, so in this video I have no idea what I'm gonna be doing. I ran out of video ideas, but I think I have something really cool. In this video I'm going to be not speed building, but I'm going to be building a level. and I'm going to keep on doing that and see what progress we come into. So this level name, I have no idea what it's going to be. I have no idea. PC Rusher. I have no idea. That came in my mind. Okay, so I have no idea, but I'm just going to teach you guys how I make my levels. So first, you gotta think of something catchy. Think of a level name, and then you're gonna have to pick a song that goes along with it. So I put PC Rushers. So that's going to mean something electronic, kind of. And it's basically going to be like really good. So this one is good. It's electronic-y, so I'm going to be using that. So the first step is going to be the speed. Now for me, I like to start off with slow. That's how I do it. And then we put our background color. I put black, and then later on into the like this. So basically the song starts here. So I am going to put a background right here. I'm not going to work on it right now. So yeah. Actually, I have no idea how to use the pulse. So I actually go into a random level like Jawbreaker, and then I copy the level. I go into the editor, and then I go up, and then you could see that there's background. So all I do is I copy and paste that and move it to the left side. Oops. Move it to the left side. And then I click on it. I click on edit object, and then I put it white. And then I copy it. So then when I exit this level, and I'm about to make another level, such as PC Rusher, what I have to do is I have to go here, and then I could use it now. Okay, so then what I do is I make it a color. So you have to think of a color. You have to think of a color, like you have to think of 2 colors that could be good. You can't just use 1 color. You could use 3. You could even use 4. Heck, you could even use 5. But in this level, I actually like the colors purple and blue. So I'm going to start off with blue. So as you can see, oh yeah, and by the way, the fade time. Wait, what am I doing? Oh, it has to start off automatically, so just like this. So it goes like, yeah. And then after that, we do our ground color. Our ground has to be black as well. And then we could actually think of a ground color. We don't have that anymore. So we could just go to color. Place this down. Color ID is going to be the ground one. And for me, I like purple. Like a dark purple. And again, fade times 0. And then on the bottom, you're going to do ground second. And then you're going to choose your color. For me, I'm going to choose dark blue. Now, after that, it goes a little bit like this. So, that's good. Now, what you do is the lines are okay, like they're okay, but if you actually want to create like a really good level, I'm gonna go with purple as the lines. Make it dark. And that's our line color. The object could be what you want it to be. For me, I like the color blue. So I'm just using 2 colors, purple and blue. And the 3D lines makes it, the 3D lines makes the level more creative. I'm going to go with black. Okay, so now we have that ready. Now we're going to choose our gameplay. I like to start off with UFO. And then, after that, you choose your background. For this level, the background and the ground has to match your level. So mine was PC Rusher. So something like this, right? Something like this, like inside of a PC. Well, that's not inside of a PC, but hey, it's close to it. And then, like, the ground has to also match. A little something like this. Oh yeah, and I recommend you turn on show ground. And yeah. So now, this is your level. Starts off like this. Oh yeah, by the way, what's it called? Ground second. Oh yeah, I forgot to do the ground second also has to be black. And then it ends up like this. So now all you have to do is you have to choose if you want mini or dual. For me, I'm just going to start off with normal. So now you're going to start off with a layout. So for here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put some invisible spikes. Like, well, they're not invisible, but they're invisible spikes. And then I'm going to put some invisible blocks. So just like this. If you want, you could like be creative and decorate them like that. Which, hey, being creative is awesome. So you could just do stuff like this. Alright. Looking good already. Alright. There you go. So that's our blocks. Only for the beginning. So, this is like a barrier so that when you start the level, you can't go up. You have to stay on the ground. And it reminds you, because like you could see it. So you start off with like this. And then every beat you should make some gameplay. So such as this. I recommend you go here and then go into new. Click on this little setting things. No, not the setting thing. Create lines. And then you start off by creating lines. Okay, I created a couple of lines. Now I have lines here. This is a chance for me to actually make the gameplay. And they sync along with the music, so it could go a little something like this. So, of course it's not going to go like that because it looks weird like that. Oops, sorry about that. So, in this case, we're actually going to be using some upside down. Oh yeah, by the way, if you start off slow and you want it to go fast, all you have to do is just put like a little thing here, but I like to start off slow. So, this is our chance. So, if you go like up really high, then I recommend you use the upside down. So, such like this. And then you put upside down. Such as this. And inside of that upside down, you can add like a jump ring. As you can see. Make sure to center it correctly, because if you don't, it's going to look weird. There you go. And now we have something like this. And then once you get to if you're upside down and once you get too low, then again you put another one of these to switch gravity, and you can go up. So it should go a little bit something like this. And then you keep on using that. So, for the beginning, just don't put any blocks yet for the gameplay. So just put for me, I would rather put this first, so I know what my gameplay is going to be, and then I put down my blocks. So like this. Yeah, so such as that. If you want harder gameplay, you could add in a couple of tiny spikes on the gameplay, but we're not doing that right now. Right now, we're doing our little thing. So, I did that. Now, what you have to do is click this right here, the square. Now, you still have your lines. Actually, no. So you have your lines. Don't click the square. So now you can see. So now you know where you can actually die. Now this is the time where you put your your layout. Oops. Okay. For your layout, you're going to use clear blocks, such as this. So you could even use scale to make the levels a little bit more interesting, such as this. So I could put a little something like this. Oh yeah, by the way, make sure that the object isn't like combined with the background, or else you can't even see the blocks. There you go. So it should go a little bit something like this. And then you could put like a normal one. And then you could put a little one, just scale. Just like that. And then you could keep on doing it until it looks interesting. So something like this, and then you could add spikes on it. But make sure to put them like this. Alright, just add a couple spikes. Alright, now that you have that. So I'm lazy to do this whole thing, but you get the idea. You literally get the idea. Oh yeah, make sure that it matches with the gameplay. So you already get the idea. I'm too lazy to actually build more to this, so yeah. And then once you're finished with your layout, then you're going to pick a decoration. So I'm going to do an example on the top. So if you do something like this, and that's a part of, and that's your layout. All you have to do is add a couple of these. Just add some blocks, and if you have slopes, then you're going to go ahead and go into the slope icon, and then you're going to search for a white one. And then they should match. If for some reason the colors like don't work, then you're gonna have to edit them yourself. So for doing that, you could click on this, on the white ones, and then you could go here and then go to the more, go to color 2. And then just pick a random, or just pick a color, click on edit object, pick that color, and it should be there. Oh yeah, and if you don't know what to do, if it just ends up like this, click on detail, and maybe that's the problem. So there you guys have it. Now for the background, you're just going to add a little bit of like slopes. Make sure you use these blocks. These blocks are the best. So you're just going to add like some slopes. Just like some slopes. Not like this, of course, but like this. Something like this. And you're okay. So, if there's anything else, I don't think there's anything else, but make sure that your taps also sync to the background. So your taps, every tap, you should actually put a background color so that it could change colors every time. And that's my little. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And that's not my outro. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you guys liked it, then don't forget to leave a like and melt that subscribe button with your own powers, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.